Hello everyone, good morning. So guys, dito na ako sa malapit sa building ng work ko. Kasi umuulan guys. Ayan. Kasi kapag lumalayo ako, dumidilim. Hindi ko na ito pahabahin guys. My goodness. It's raining. Thank you, my friend. Where are you at? Are you here in Taiwan? It's raining, so I cannot dance. Maybe I'll see it. I'll just quick live.